Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So children, I hope that all of you have learned the division facts that I have told you to write in your classwork. Okay. So children, today we will discuss about another method to find out the quotient. So, we have learned about how we can divide two numbers by using repeated subtraction method. Yes or no? Yes. We have to subtract the number by the number to be divided till we get 0. Right? And how many times we have to subtract till we get 0? That is the answer or quotient. Yes or no? Yes. We have discussed about that. And the second thing how we can divide that we have learned is by using the tables also. Yes or no? That means if 9 divided by 3 is there, we have to read the 3 table. So when we are having 9, that is 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 3. So children, today we will discuss about the new method that we can use to divide two numbers, and that is called as long division. Before moving to the division, let me once again remind you that the number to be divided is called as dividend. That means 9 divided by 3. That means 9 is the dividend. Okay? And the number that divides the dividend is called as the divisor. Okay? And the answer is called as the quotient, and whatever remains after division, that is your remainder, children. Okay, so let's start the long division. So before that, let me discuss the same thing once again, that is repeated subtraction and the table method. Then we will move to the long division. So children, I hope that you remember this is the symbol for division. So we have discussed the first one, that is the division by using repeated subtraction. You have to subtract till you get 0, right? 8 divided by 2 means you have to subtract 2 till you get 0. Now, the second one we have learned is by using tables. That means if 8 divided by 2 means you have to read 2 table. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 4 is the answer, right? That is another method to find out division. So the next method is that is called as the long division. That means what? You have to write the number to be divided in the middle. So here you can see 10 is to be divided. It is written here. And in the left side you have to write 2, the number that is used to divide 10. That means this is 10 divided by 2. Now the first step what you have to do is, because 2 is the divisor, you have to write 2 table. I'll show you, okay? So 2, you have to write the table of 2. Then you have to find out what is the answer. That is 2 5s are 10. So directly you have to write 5 on the up of that number, and 10 you have to write below the 10 whatever you have written. Then 10 minus 10 you will get 0, children. That is the method called as long division. So here 10 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, 5 is the quotient, that is the answer, and 0 is the remainder. Don't worry if you did not understand. Once again I'll explain in the notes. So here another example is there. You can see 21 is to be divided by 3. So here 21 divided by 3 is written. So 21 is written in the middle, 3 is written in the left side. Then you have to write 3 table beside this. So because 3 7s are 21, you have to write 7 on the top, then 21, then the remainder is 0. Now children, moving to your textbook, you can see here. So divide 9 by 3, that means 9 divided by 3 by using long division we have to do. So here you can see, so 9 you have to write in the middle, 3 on the left side, so 3 is the divisor, 9 is the dividend. Now you have to read 3 table, that is you have to write 3 table beside that. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. You have to write complete table, children. Don't write till this much only, okay? Now 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9. So here you have to write 3. Okay, here you have to write 3. So 3 3s are 9. Now what you have to do is 3 3s are 9. You have to write 9 here below this 9. Now 9 minus 9, here minus, you have to subtract. Okay. So do you remember in multiplication you use it to add Yes, similarly here in division you have to subtract. So 9 minus 9, answer is 0. So children, 9 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor. Whatever the table, from table whatever we got, that is the question. And after subtracting whatever we got, that is 0. Okay children? So let's do one example from exercise 5.4 first bit. So I'll be solving your A bit. So you can see here 16 is written in the middle. That means this is the dividend. Okay, 4. So 4 table you have to write, because you are going to divide by using 4. You have to write 4 table here. Now you can see here I have written the tables. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. So children, you have to write complete table. Don't write half. Okay. Now moving to our question. So here you can see after writing the table, you have to see where you are getting above 16. Okay. Or if you are getting 16, that's okay. Where you are getting 16. So 4 ones are 4, no. 4 twos are 8, no. 4 threes are 12, no. 4 fours are 16. So you have to round up this particular number. 4 fours are 16. Now you have to write 4 fours are 16. Okay. Now you have to subtract both. Now 16 minus 16. Any number subtracted by the same number, you will get 0. 16 minus 16, 0. 10 minus 10, 0. Right? 16 minus 16, you will get 0. Now 16 is the dividend. 4. This 4 is the divisor. This 4 is the question, because from table you got that. And 0 is the remainder. So your answer, this is Q. Okay children, this is the quotient Q and this is remainder R. Hope you understood. Try the other bits of. So children, try all the bits. Exercise 5.4. So try to complete first one, all the bits. That is starting from A to B, C, D till P1. Okay. So today's homework is only the first bit. Don't go for the second bit. Tomorrow I'll explain the second bit. So complete the first one, all the bits. If you want, you can try in rough also. Write the table in rough and write the answer here. So only question you have to write here. You write the tables in your rough book. So till P bit you complete. This is page number 118 and 119.